Hello everyone, this is our next video now. So we are going on downdigitals.com, the categories in this website. So the new category is we just going to explain you in this video: cooking and food and beverage. So you can find some products about these issues. So the first one, if you pay attention here, the fat burning kitchen 101 anti-aging foods. So this is anti-aging foods recommendation in the website. Whenever you buy that product, after you clicking this picture, fat burning picture, then you get the main page and you can understand what's going on there, and you can buy the products. Whenever you pay, you get the lifetime entrance in this website, and you can download all the documentation, you can watch the videos, and you can follow the updating information about anti-aging foods. It's very important. So another one is 200 delicious smoothie recipes ebook. So there are 200 a book, and you can find about the food and drinks and beverages. And you can get this once you buy it, and then you can download. After that, you use it for how much you want, and you can share with your friends as well. And you can make very delicious, very nice foods and very interesting, maybe gourmet foods and other things. So the last one is keto breads, keto desserts. So this is about the keto, who interests the keto. So you can click here and then get the main page, just read and watch, and you buy. The next one is the complete plant-based recipe cookbook, 200 plus vegan recipes. So this is another one. If you're interested with vegan, so then you can choose, instead of the first one, you can choose this one. Which one is written is vegan here. So sorry. Okay. Sorry, I just the website just goes upside and I couldn't come back. Okay, so now is the next one is metabolic cooking, fat loss cookbook. So metabolic cooking is depend on your metabolism. So this page give you, and this book actually give you the details. So it's very important. So the wellness bakeries. So whenever you do bakery, so you can do the wellness type. So not like it's very heavy, and you can make it very different things. So and nobody know that, and collect that from all of the world about your wellness. Anyway, the next one is 1 month vegan challenge. So 1 month you can do the challenge with this program. This is like a course or class or lesson, so you can get the website and buy this product and then follow the instructions. Ultimate diabetic cookbook. So if you are diabetic or anybody in your family, so you can take it, and then you can use it for the diabetic person or yourself. So and then your diabetic will be getting control, under your control. So lose weight, 6 weeks body makeover. So you will have 6 weeks, and you buy that product very cheap, and then you follow the instruction like a life coach about your body, during 6 weeks at least, and then you can go on, of course, this. Okay, that's the food and beverage category in this page, downdigitals.com. So see you next video. We are going to explain you the other categories as well.